Would you like to use only one car for land and water? You should then use Rick Dobberton's Hydrocar. It takes seconds to go from land to water mode. While the car is moving on solid surfaces, a continuous pontoon encircles the hull. The car becomes a hydrocycle with a tunnel hull when the pontoon drops 8 inches into the water. This reduces resistance and provides excellent water stability. It's powered by a propeller-equipped motor with hydraulic thrust for steering. Because it is made of stainless steel and boat-grade aluminum, the Hydrocar is completely corrosion-resistant. The designer still advises against using the car on a daily basis in favor of collecting it. Would you like to reconsider how big events are organized? What you need, then, is the Oceania Water Platform. A movie theater, nightclub, restaurant, and daytime lounge are among the many gazebos and relaxation spots on the 4,000 to 12,000 square foot floating platform. Because it is built into modules, it is transformer-like and customizable. This makes room to add a restaurant or take out extra space. There are plenty of sofas, rattan furniture, and even hanging nets with cushions over the water. Every part of it is composed of eco-friendly materials, and its global navigation will enable the study of marine ecosystems to counteract climate change. It is supposed to pass through the Middle Eastern, European, Asian, and American coastal regions. A brand new kamikaze drone made by the American company Anduril Industries can target adversaries up to 100 miles away. Up to 75 minutes can pass while it hovers. In addition to target destruction, it can be used for reconnaissance, observation, target designation, communication, and other purposes. This is feasible because of the special software and its open architecture. The drone can be launched from launchers on the ground or in the air. Combining several drones into a swarm allows one operator to control them all at once, and each drone has a specific function during the operation. Using a 3D printer, the Wavehouse crew has produced the biggest structure in Europe. It took approximately 140 hours to finish. The property, situated in Heidelberg, Germany, will house a new data processing center. The structure is 6,600 square feet, yet it looks contemporary and futuristic. Its wavy wall design is unachievable with traditional building techniques. The gadget prints 43 square feet per hour. Comparing 3D printing to conventional building techniques, the former helps lower CO2 emissions. Wave Engine Corporation has flown a UAV with the first jet engine without rotating components. Here, there are no mechanical control valves, unlike in previous jet engine models. The digital controls have taken their place. The following describes the operation principle of the J1 Impulse System's curved, elongated tube. In the combustion chamber, there is an air-fuel mixture. When the mixture burns and an explosive wave travels through the tube at high pressure, a push is produced. Concurrently, a little vacuum behind the shockwave forms, drawing in fresh air and fuel, so the jet repeats its impulse operation. The new engine weighs just 18 pounds and measures 64 inches long. It can be powered with either gas or biofuels. Operating reliability is increased, and the power unit's lifespan is extended by the lack of moving mechanical components. Less expensive electric bikes. The Engwe M20 has a motorcycle-like appearance. It has a multi-seat fastened to a flexible frame, as well as small wheels and large 4-inch tires. It is therefore comfortable to ride both in urban and off-road settings. This bike features 2 strong headlights as well as a handlebar monitor, with mode selection and trip information. You might, for instance, establish a speed limit. At its lowest power setting, the bike can travel 47 miles on a single battery, and a full battery charge takes 5 hours. Furthermore, installable is an extra battery. It will set you back about $1,200. At a military equipment show, General Dynamics debuted a new Striker X model. This armored car can launch attack drones, fire laser weapons, and carry out electronic warfare operations. The vehicle's engine is hybrid electric. Only when absolutely required to produce electricity is the diesel engine used. This reduces both fuel consumption and noise levels. Numerous sensors and cameras provide transparent armor with complete 360-degree visibility and control. Inside, an integrated active protection system and contemporary electronic architecture with cybersecurity safeguard the soldiers. Thanks to its design, the armored vehicle has several military uses. It can be fitted with a variety of modern weapons for observation, defense, and combat. Although nobody is surprised by the existence of unmanned aerial drones, AFRL's inexpensive attritable aircraft technologies has created the first unmanned aircraft, which can fly at 652 miles per hour. Because it launches from a rocket launcher, a runway is not required for takeoff. It can also land precisely in the middle of a field with air cushions and parachutes. The unmanned aircraft can reach a height of up to 45,000 feet and includes compartments for light armaments. It has a range of 3,000 miles. The Altius 600 drone, which can be used to fight enemy UAVs, jam radio signals, and produce kinetic effects, was released from its cargo compartment during a test flight by the Valkyrie XQ-58A. Within the Skyborg project, the Valkyrie drone will fly in unison with human aircraft. It has already been tested as a communication node for F-22 and F-35 fighter jets. The Turanor catamaran is reputedly the world's largest solar-powered boat. The entire deck is covered in 5,500 square feet of photovoltaic panels. There is only room for a small cabin on top. 6 battery banks hold the energy that is then fed to a 120 kilowatt motor. The boat is supported on the water by 2 carbon side skis, as well as its central hull. It gives strength and lightness at the same time. Up to 8 tons of rubbish can be collected in a single trip by the vessel, which has a troll net with a scoop inside. It is the second time this boat has been around the world. The expedition's primary goal is to reduce floating trash. The secondary objective is to beat its own record of 26 days for a round of the world. Ideal for water sports, this gorgeous crossover boat is made of carbon fiber. Up to 16 people can stay on the yacht, and 4 of them can spend the night. Along with a kitchenette, a shower, and a swimming platform, it has a roomy cabin. Its deck-folding wings open to form a sizable beach club space. The deck offers enough room for entertainment and leisure. For example, you could use the swimming platform and arrange sun loungers for tanning. Hidden cabinets along the deck provide additional storage space for equipment and possessions. The yacht can go up to 63 miles per hour because of its lightweight construction. As a result, extreme cycling and water sports are possible. A modular underwater jet scooter designed by Chinese firm LE Feet allows both seasoned divers and amateurs to explore the underwater world. Its highest speeds are up to 7 feet per second. Though the module can be set up to move with 2 engines, it only comes with 1. Standard USB-C is used to recharge the batteries, and the scooter has many mounts for accessories, gear, and action cameras. Another package includes 2 instructions for operating 2 scooters at once. Fans of many water sports may find this gadget helpful, as it is easily installed on boats, surfboards, and kayaks. The remote combat module of this military ground drone is brand new. It includes a radar-equipped fire control system and a paired Gatling gun. It is tablet-controlled and fires an astounding 6,000 rounds per minute. This makes the combat drone a system for direct fire support for soldiers or defense against unmanned aerial vehicles. Up to 2,000 pounds of cargo can be transported, and the overall range is 280 miles. Thanks to the power of a diesel engine combined with a quiet electric motor. The kit allows for automatic and semi-automatic deployment of the combat module, as well as autonomous, semi-autonomous, and convoy driving. The Ray Vertical Takeoff and Landing Civilian Aircraft, designed by Swiss company Ray Research AG, can carry 4 passengers and a pilot. 4 big horizontal propellers built into the wings produce lift for vertical takeoff. Their small configuration contributes to a smaller wing area. 2 vertical propellers in the tail provide the aircraft with the thrust it needs to move through the sky, like a regular plane, once it reaches the desired altitude. Twin 600 kilowatt gas turbine engines drive the propellers. Because double power is included, there is a backup in case one of the engines malfunctions. With a 1,000 nautical mile range, the aircraft cruises at 200 knots.